Hey friends, welcome to Cozy Time Tales. Today we're going to be reading Pig in Jeans Fights Germs by Brenda Lee. Pig in Jeans Fights Germs. Brian is a little pig who likes to wear jeans. One day, he came home from school. He saw a pie and he quickly grabbed it. But what Brian didn't see were the germs on his hands. The germs jumped from his hands onto the pie. Brian ate the pie. Wait, but what are germs? Germs are yucky living things that you cannot see with just your eyes, but you can see them under a microscope. Germs usually enter your body through your nose or mouth. They make you sick. When you are sick, you might get a sore throat, a fever, a cough, a runny nose, and you feel tired. Oh, looks like Brian got sick. He should have washed his hands before eating the pie. Cough, cough. Achoo! Next day, Brian sneezed without covering his mouth. His sister, Betty, was standing right there. Hey! The germs quickly entered Betty's nose and mouth. Now Betty got sick too. Cough, cough. Next day, Brian coughed without covering his mouth. Dad's cell phone happened to be right there. Cough! The germs quickly hopped onto his phone. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. From the phone, they hopped onto Dad's hands. Then Dad picked his nose. That's when the germs hopped into his nose and entered his body. Hoppity, hoppity, hop. Now Dad got sick too. Cough, cough. Brian, you're making everyone sick. Stop spreading germs, said Mom. But how did I do that? Brian asked. If you're sick, stay home and don't go to school. Yup, that's easy. When you cough or sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or your elbow, Mom continued. Germs are everywhere, Mom explained. They are on surfaces such as doorknobs and playgrounds. Whee! They are on your jeans, even on your tablet. So make sure you wash your hands often. Wash your hands before eating. Nom 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 nom. Wash your hands after you use the bathroom. And don't wipe your nose with your hands. Use a tissue. Come, let me show you how to wash your hands properly. First, wet your hands. Then, get some soap. Rub your hands together for 20 seconds. Make sure you rub in between the fingers. Back of your hands, your thumbs, don't forget your nails. Then dry your hands with a paper towel. Finally, turn the tap off with the paper towel. That's it! When you wash your hands well, germs will go down the drain. Ah! If you cannot find water and soap, use a hand sanitizer. Brian was very happy. He learned a lot about germs and how to stop spreading them. Yay! After resting for a few days, he felt all better and was ready for school. The next day, Brian came home from school as usual, but he did one thing differently. The first thing he did when he got home today was wash his hands with soap. Well, actually, the first thing he did was throw his backpack on the floor. Look, Mom! I washed my hands! See? Clean hands. Wipe up the mess! The end. Thank you for watching Cozy Time Tales. Subscribe!